Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's take a look at a Harris 2021 230 Solstice. Starting on the front of this Harris 230 Solstice, we have a real nice bow area, recessed docking lights, also flip down cleats, all stainless steel. We have plenty of cup holders tucked in underneath the backrests, so they're out of your way. Also have a cell phone charger, speakers. We have flip down armrests with additional cup holders, in-floor storage, ski locker, a real nice dash. Everything is flush mounted, has the JL audio stereo system built in, controls here, tilt steering wheel, very comfortable captain's chair, and also a port side chair as well with the recliners and armrests. Got the single lounge seat in the back. Does have a gate to allow you to have children or animals inside without them getting out. It's powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine. This also has the fender storage built into the rear gates. Additional cup holders, stereo remote, cell phone chargers as well. 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder. Additional flip down cleats. More cup holders. And this will conclude the 2021 230 Solstice by Harris. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Harris Solstice or any of the other Harrises that we have in our inventory. Thank you.